Today we're going to look at section 6.2, which is exploring graphs of systems of linear inequalities. Our favorite word is exploring. Hopefully by now you know what that means. You're going to be doing a lot of the work on your own without too much guidance. So we're looking at systems of linear inequalities. The goal is to explore graphs of situations that can be modeled by systems of two linear inequalities in two variables. So here's the problem you guys are going to be looking at tomorrow. A nursery school serves morning and afternoon snacks to its students. The morning snacks are fruits, vegetables, and juice, and the afternoon snacks are cheese and milk. The school can accommodate 50 students or fewer altogether. The students can attend for just the morning or for a full day. The morning snack costs $1 per student per week, and the afternoon snack costs $2 per student per week. The weekly snack budget is $120 or less. The question is, what combinations of morning and full day students can the school accommodate and stay within the weekly snack budget? This is a big part of what we're going to be doing for the rest of this chapter. The two inequalities and two variables going on at the same time. Skip ahead to the next page here. We don't need to look at the sample solution. There's some questions, some reflecting questions that you're going to have to talk about in a small group. Compare the strategies that can be used to solve the problem. And it says, how could a system of linear inequalities represent all the possible solutions and suggest a possible combination of morning and full day students that would solve the problems? Explain your choice. Over here on the right hand side, we have a definition for system of linear inequalities. It's a set of two or more linear inequalities that are graphed on the same coordinate plane. The intersection of their solution regions represents the solution set for the system. So if we look at this line right here, the shading for it was to the left or above, however you want to call it, over in this region right over here. Get rid of that now. We don't need that line again. Now for the other one that's graphed, that's this one right here. The solution region is below it. But in this region right over here, what we see, it's shaded darker green than the rest. The reason is because that area was shaded twice. It was shaded once because it was above this line, and then shaded again because it was below this line. So because this region was shaded twice, this is a solution region for both, for the whole system of linear inequalities. So for tomorrow, you're going to be looking at this problem and working on it in small groups. There's some other questions after that as well. What I would suggest to you is to go ahead and look back in 6.1 on page 302, where you can see the different color schemes for shading and for the lines and stuff like that. That's going to be really important for the rest of this unit. You're really going to have to know what colors to use and what the lines are going to look like. So spend a few minutes tonight studying that in preparation for tomorrow when you're going to be working in small groups.